Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to change language on Zomato account. So first we're going to go to the Zomato app. You guys can find it in the App Store or Play Store. Then next we're going to click on our profile section on the top right corner. Since they don't have a specific language setting here, you're going to scroll downwards and click on settings. Then again you're going to click on app permissions. So now it's going to open your phone settings. Then click on language. So as you can see, these are the supported language for the Zomato app. You guys can click on the language you want. Then you guys could go back and continue with your ordering food. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.